TriCous Chocolates and Academy. I am a chocolatier from past 8 years and I have been passionately working with chocolates since then. We have come across a lot of people, a lot of clients, students who ask us what is bean to bar, or what is pure chocolate, or what is couverture chocolate that we keep talking about. And they really don't know the difference between compound and chocolate. So today it's all going to be about that. So I have 2 packets with me, and we get these packets in the market. People usually buy ready-made chocolate slabs from the market, and then they make and reprocess it further and give them different shapes and flavors. So this is normally what people tend to buy when they are a home baker or when they are a home chocolatier. So here, if you can see, it's written dark compound. So when a packet says dark compound, it means this is not chocolate and this is compound. Now I have one more packet with me. Here it says dark chocolate clearly. So you can clearly see the difference in the title of the ingredient only. Now when we turn the packet back and check the ingredients, in compound, when I check the ingredient, it's written hydrogenated palm kernel oil, and in pure chocolate it's written cocoa butter. So what happens is when the chocolate is processed from the beans, cocoa butter is a very natural byproduct from the cocoa beans, and it gives the chocolate very smooth and creamy texture when you eat it. It's a very expensive ingredient, and it melts. Cocoa butter just melts at your body temperature. So when you touch any chocolate or put it in your mouth, it immediately starts to dissolve in your mouth because of your body temperature, of course. Now what people have done is they have substituted this cocoa butter by hydrogenated palm kernel oil, and as it's saturated fat, and when you eat compound, the fat doesn't dissolve in your mouth. You actually have to chew your chocolate. Now what is hydrogenated palm kernel oil? It is any other edible oil, and it's like very cheap, and in fact can be very degraded quality than the normal cooking oil that we use at our homes. So this is the major one difference of the ingredient between compound and pure chocolate. The second ingredient is in compounds, cocoa powder is used. So imagine cocoa powder is taken, oil is taken, and sugar is taken, and they are binded together to form compound. So there is only cocoa powder, which is an actual ingredient from the cocoa. And in pure chocolate, cocoa liquor is taken, and cocoa liquor is basically cocoa mass plus cocoa butter. Then additional cocoa butter is added if the creaminess of the chocolate is to be improved, and then sugar is added. So this is how the compound and the pure chocolate is made. Of course, there's a huge difference between the prices of both. When I talk about a packet of compound, which is like 500 grams, it comes around 120 rupees a packet on an average, between like 100 to 150 rupees a packet. And when we talk about the pure chocolate, 500 grams packet, it is between 250 to 500 depending on the brand and the company that you are taking. And even the pure chocolate prices per half kg can go till 600, 700 depending on the quality. And apart from compound and pure chocolate, we keep talking about couverture chocolate. So people of course ask us, what is couverture? So couverture chocolate is like the top and the best quality chocolate available. The content of cocoa butter in couverture chocolate is more than 31%. So more the cocoa butter content, the creamier, the smoother and the silkier your chocolate gets. So of course the raw material price of couverture chocolate can go till 600, 800, 900 and even 1000 rupees for half a kg. So this is the major difference between compound, pure chocolate and couverture. I hope now you know the difference between compound and pure chocolate, and whenever you go in the market to buy one, kindly check the ingredients and you'll be able to guess it right. If you like our video, comment in the box. You can ask us any question, and if you like our channel, do subscribe us, and hope to see you in the next video.